Fire. We have prequels. We have the Overwatch, and we have Star Wars and Call of Duty. So those are all the ones that we have. Yes. So let's get started with you guys. So this is Farah with a silent peak, number 95. She's super cool because she is from Overwatch and she's Pop Games. She has like a gun and she has like I think like hair beads and a little like makeup. So now we have Call of Duty, Monkey Bomb, number 147. Pop Games again. And he's super cool because he has like I don't know what kind of yeah, it's super cool, but it's like one of those instruments. And he has red eyes and it's super duper cool. And he has a hat. Okay. So that is Star Wars number 71, Legends Shadow Guard. He is from Pop. I think it's just Pop, and he has his lightsaber and the voice to be with you. So he's really cool. So here is a Reaper. Oh, so here is Soldier 76, number 96. He's pretty cool. He's from Overwatch too, and he has like laser almost eyes with his mask on. Yeah. This is, and these are from the Blizzard, by the way. So we got the new sword, Funko Blizzard, which are exclusive. So this one, we got a few weeks or months ago, and we've been wanting this with number 93, Reaper. It's the Wight Reaper. And the weird thing about it is they spell it wrong, so you can't find it, and it's harder to find. So you can't like get it. But so they spell it incorrectly instead of Reaper. And this is the side, the other one in the back. And here's Scooby-Doo. Wait, put it up. Scooby-Doo number... Scooby-Doo number 149. Scooby-Doo 149. He's super cool because I love Scooby-Doo, and it's from Pop Animation. There's one, we got the regular one, but there is one with that's flocked. So there's two of them. And now, alright. It's okay. And here's the side and the back. We got all your Scooby-Doos. Except for that. So here is my favorite Street Fighter. This is Balrog. He's Balrog, and he's number 141. He has boxing gloves. He is blue, and on his little like white little thing it says champion because he's a champion. His hair is kind of like spiked as like triangles. That's pretty cool. He has muscles. So as we know, we collect the GameStop boxes. If you check out our other video, we didn't show you the ones that we opened, but 1 out of 5 chances we got the Power Ranger, but we also got a different kind of Vegeta. Number 157, he has black hair, he's like this, he's like this, he's super cool, and he's black, and he has like angry eyes, gold, white, and he's super duper cool. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Cammy is my favorite. This is Cammy, number 139. Pop Games from Street Fighter again. Cammy's super nice because she's like almost like a pilot, like the army looking girl. And she's really nice because I love her braids. She has a scar right there. I don't know if you can see, but she has like a little scar right there. See? It's really cool. Oh yeah, the star. Yeah, she's really cool, by the way. She's my favorite Street Fighter and Chun-Li. Street Fighter, Dan, number 142. And by the way, these are from Series 1. And Dan is pretty cool because he has a ponytail, he's a black belt, and it has Chinese words. I don't know what it says, or it's Chinese, and I don't speak it, but he's really cool. He has like purple boxing gloves, and he's doing his form right now, so it's pretty cool.
And here is
Weird stuff. Oh. So, thanks for watching, you guys.
subscribe and comment. No, I say
Comment
it.
down
I say it. Subscribe, comment down below what's on your favorite club. Mine is people.
Mine's always Cammy.
Mine is
Scooby-Doo. So, thanks for watching. You said REAPER. So, please comment down.
in another video.
And comment down below what other pops you guys would like us to see. Like,
Bye, you guys.
that we missed.
Bye,
Thanks
you
for
guys.
watching. Bye.